All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be taking apart the exhaust tip. So you know how we installed the new clamp system with a straight pipe 3-inch from American Muscle. So what I'm gonna do now is actually paint my tips black. I know I should have done it when we actually did the install, but I figured I was looking for the one that I actually needed. But yeah, so Raptor is gonna be we're gonna be painting the tips black, and it's the heat protected one, so it's the actual paint that you actually need. Side project we're working on, it's the paint that you actually need, which is this one right here. See, 550 Fahrenheit. I doubt the exhaust tips will ever get that fucking hot, but satin black is what I got. That's exactly what we're gonna be using. Caden was supposed to be here, but you know, he had to do other things. But we are gonna be painting Caden's tips on his scat pack as well, and that's gonna be happening. But the biggest thing that's actually gonna be happening to the Raptor though is I'm finally gonna color match my flares Widebody kit, aka from Vicrez, to the actual Destroy Gray. So that's what I'm actually gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be taking all the shit apart and gonna be taking it to my cousin. Super hooked it up, Rodrigo. I appreciate you, man. I'll definitely put your Instagram in the description, so you guys want to check out his page. Y'all can definitely do that. But yeah, we're gonna color match the flares to the car and finally get that over with. People have been asking me, oh, are you ever gonna fucking change the color or leave it the black and gray scheme? And I was like, well, I mean, I did want to do that, but at the same time I was like, I did want to color match them, and I say, what a better time just to do it now, and car show season is just around the corner. So definitely stick with the channel, watch, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys think about what's happening with the Challenger. And yeah, little brother's gonna come through right now. Y'all know him already, the Compasaka. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that after he gets here. All right, what's happening, guys? So like you guys seen, the wide body's finally off. Took it to my cousin, definitely hooked it up, color matched the wide body to the car. So didn't show you guys the process of me gluing the rear the other night, but I finally glued it. You know, left the tape and everything, you know, holding all the pressure against the car. That way it was able to, you know, get a nice hold and pressure to the car. That way nothing's ever to flip open or anything. So even to the seam of there, I cleaned it up pretty much, but I left a little bit of black on there, which I'm not really tripping, because what I'm gonna do is I'm actually put the actual like that 3M rubber sealant on here, so you can, you know, see the difference of the body to the actually wide body kit. That's what I'm gonna do different from, you know, a lot of the people that actually have them this way, and people the way that the factory already has them made. You know, there's like a cleanless seam in between all here, but I'm gonna actually put a rubber seam in here with that 3M auto sealant inside there. But the rear is done. It came out cherry, man. I'm currently working on the front. So you see there, I already put all the glue in there. And that's the 3M you want to get. Part number 08115. The first time I ever seen this happen was through Brian Garcia's page on Toronto Racing. Toronto, bro, you're smart. He was actually the first person that gave me the inspiration, actually wanting to get this kit done, because he did it on his 14 Challenger with the Hellcat front end conversion kit. But since I have a 2019, I didn't go down the route of, you know, as you see on, you guys seen on my actual previous videos, of not swapping on my RT front end, and left it the way it is. So that's done. You have this here, all that green tape is holding pressure on top of this big ass tent, holding down pressure on that arc. That way it doesn't prop up whatsoever. But everywhere else, I even tinted my own corner lights, you know. So dude, the process is going good. I'm happy with it. Like I said, the rears are already all completed. So yeah, stick with the channel. You guys can see the new look on the Widebody. So yeah.